Hey guys, and welcome to the show. As I promised, I want to start a channel and a video series about different Bitcoin or crypto miners. Yeah, today is the first video about one specific miner. It's Hive Blockchain Technologies from Canada. Um, I'm invested there since 2017, and I think it's a very, very interesting company. And I want to go into details with you. And after that, in the next videos, I will talk about Hut 8, Bitfarms, Riot Blockchain, Marathon, Patent Group, uh, DMG Blockchain, and which one I forgot, Argo Blockchain from Great Britain. So I think it's gonna be a very interesting series with a lot of details. Details. Um, yeah, I yeah, with my experience from the last 3 years, I I I got a lot of knowledge about these companies. Yeah, my English is still bad, but yeah, I try to improve. And let's start. Okay. Um, yeah, for each company, I will make such a little sheet there, an overview. It's more easy to discuss it with you. So, Hive Blockchain is located in Canada, but the mining centers are in Sweden. Here we have the major Ethereum facility here, so they're also Ethereum miner. And in Iceland they have another Ethereum mining facility, and they have a small Bitcoin mining facility here in Quebec in Canada. And maybe there will be a big facility in Norway, in Ballangen, which the name is Kolos of this project, but it's not sure that it will ever, yeah, it will ever make it. So we will see. Yeah, they went public in 2017. It was my first mining stock, and I think it was the first public miner in the world, publicly traded miner. Their strategy is selling and accumulation. For me, I really like this accumulation strategy in the bull market. In the bear market, it's better you just sell the coins when you mine it. But in the bull market, it makes sense to accumulate as much as you can and sell them all at the top. And I hope this is what Hive will achieve there. Yeah, I talked about the possible expansion in Norway, Ballangen. Yeah, they talked about 1,000 megawatts, but because of the bear market, it's going to be difficult to realize it. But we will see. They have an average electricity rate of 4 cents per US dollar, and but if we check the prices, the actual prices in Sweden, which is their major facility there, we see the prices are a lot lower. So this is the day ahead prices of the wholesale market in Sweden. Uh, I will zoom a little bit. Hive is located in SE1. They are located in Boden. I can show you where this is. And tomorrow it's 3.92 euros, so it's a little bit more than 4 US dollars per megawatt hour. So this is less than 1 cent per kilowatt hour. Okay, this is 0.4 US dollar cents per kilowatt hour. So this is 10x cheaper than the regular price. I think this is because of the lockdown also in Sweden. We see here these are the regular prices, the average prices. Yeah, 4 cents, something like this. But right now everything is a little bit different. Yeah, the facilities I show you. Here we are in Sweden. Um, the major Ethereum facility is here in Boden. I will not show exactly where it is, but here's the hydropower plant where they get the cheap energy, and in this area you have the Hive facility there. So yeah, and then I can show you also the possible Ballangen project. Right now, I don't think they will ever realize it, but I really hope. Ballangen is here in this fjord, and this area should be used for a huge data center. I think it's 1 kilometer, 1,000 meters one direction, so it's huge, and a lot of cheap hydroelectricity. And then we have Iceland. Iceland, I don't know. Um, where is it? Yeah, in this area at the airport, they have their facility here. I think 2 buildings of these are dedicated to Hive, I think. So yeah, these are the 4 megawatts of Hive there. Yeah, and then we have Quebec. It's in Lachute. I will not show you now, but yeah, that's it. And yeah, in Sweden they have hydropower. I showed you. In Iceland geothermal, and in Quebec also hydro. Let's get over to the tech data. They have power capacity available. All in all, 59 megawatts. Right now they have operational only roughly 30 megawatts, so they have room for expansion of 30 megawatts right now. And the hash rate in Ethereum, they have 3,600 gigahash. So this is roughly 1.5% of the whole Ethereum network. So this is a huge facility there. And in BTC, they have 217 petahash. This is, but only 60% of this is dedicated to Hive. The rest is from an institutional client, which it's a hosting agreement there. So it's roughly 0.1% of the whole Bitcoin hash rate is from Hive right now. Yeah, the efficiency is a very important factor here. The Sweden facility, which is their newer graphic cards, GPUs there, they have 178 gigahertz per megawatt. And in Iceland, they have 164 right now. And the Bitcoin mining efficiency is very high with 23.8 petahash per megawatt, which is a very good efficiency there. Let's get to the financial data. These are the actual numbers I found. They have 346 million shares, common shares. The stock price right now is, yeah, it's volatile, but it's 0.38 US dollars, which is a market cap of roughly 130 million US dollars. Yeah, in the last quarter, they achieved a revenue of 6.6 million US dollars from mining, with a mining margin of gross mining margin of 39%. So this is without with the operational costs. These are 4 million. This is electricity and maintenance and all this stuff. Yeah, they had a revaluation of coins in this quarter. Means that the coins they have accumulated, they gained in value, so they have higher value, and so that's very interesting, and that's why I like the accumulation strategy. They had an EBITDA of 3.5 million, adjusted EBITDA of 2.6 million, and a net income of 1.8 million. So very good, solid quarter for Hive. Everything is positive, and I think the Q3, the next quarter, is going to be a lot better. I think the revenue is doubled, and the mining margin, I hope so too. So yeah, we will see. I will do a video then when they have the numbers. Yeah, the holdings of Ethereum are roughly 18,000 and of BTC 130. So it's good that they have a good chunk of it. And now let's look on the KPIs daily. I checked the site what to mine, and there you can type in the data, and it's calculating how much BTC they make. So I did this with Ethereum and BTC. Let's start with Ethereum. Today they made 228 Ethereum with a revenue of 87,000 US dollars, a gross profit of 68,000, and a gross profit of 78%. So I think this is it's very good, good profit margin. And these are BTC equivalents of 6.34. So I also calculated in BTC to compare to the other companies. I will make this these videos. And then they have BTC today, 1.3 BTCs. The revenue is 18,000. The gross profit is 12,000, and the gross profit margin is 68%. So the sum of BTC equivalents is 7.64 BTC per day right now or today. It changes every day. It's very, very volatile. But yeah, that's a good number right now. And yes. Okay. So let's have a look on the overall market. No, let's get back to Hive. I have here these things to watch. What is very important for Hive in the next months? I think the Colox expansion for Norway is one of the most important for me because I think this project could have huge benefit for Hive and for the stock price. I will show you why. First of all, Norway is a cold region there, so you have good temperatures to cool your data center, and the prices are crazy cheap right now. I show you, Trondheim. This is in Norway. They have cheaper prices than in Sweden usually, so it's 1 or 2 cents in average. So it's very this one. It's very cheap, the electricity there, and yeah, they have a lot of cheap electricity, so would be very interesting. Then the expansion of existing ETH mining facilities, like in Sweden, they have room for expansion of 20%, and in Iceland they have 50%, I think. So and in June they said they will expand, and I hope they will do it until the end of the year. To keep keep pace in the expansion. This is very important. The ETH price and fees are very important now. The price of ETH is right now at 380 US dollars. I don't know if you heard of ETH 2.0, which they plan to start the phase 0 this year. When they start in November or December, I think there could be a huge pump in the price of Bitcoin and in the fees because of all this trading. And this will help Hive to get better margins and higher revenue and all of this. Okay. If you have questions about Hive, ask me in the comment section there. I will answer this and I will make a new video. I think, it's my first or second video. So I know it's not perfect, but I will improve also here. No problem there. Okay, let's have a little look about the overall market. And I told you I don't like, well, I'm not convinced about chart technical analysis, but I will show you one chart which I think is a very good chart. Okay, now you see not the candles, but this is a reason. I will paint something in there. This is the whole chart of the, let's say last 8 years or something like this. And I will show you my important chart analysis. This is a parabolic run up. Can you see this? Also all the lows, if you connect all the lows, we have this parabolic line here. And in my opinion, in the bear markets, Bitcoin always returns to the production costs, like in gold, like with the gold price. And in the hype phase, in the speculation phase, prices dominated from speculators, from hype. But in the bear market, only the producers remain, let's say, and they set the price. So the efficient miners, they can produce, and all the other miners, they drop out of the market. So Bitcoin always returns to the mining cost. But in the bear markets, like here, but I think soon it will decouple in the bull market from the mining costs, and yeah, it will have a huge premium there. So that's what I like in charts. Let's check the other numbers. Yeah, in the last video, I told you which numbers I think are very important for miners. I think I forgot to talk about the reward per block, this number here. Every 10 minutes, around every 10 minutes, now it's 11 or 12 minutes now, but in average it's 10 minutes. There's a block mined, and the miner which mines the block is rewarded with 6.25 BTCs. This is until 2020. Until 2024, then it's 3.125 blocks, but in the next 4 years it's 6.25 blocks. And then this number is fixed, and the other number, this is very volatile, and this is the fees. Right now, the fees of Bitcoin transactions are very high, and that's not good for the people who want to transact in Bitcoin, but it's very good for the miners. And in 24 hours, we had the 762 Bitcoins from the fixed block reward, and the fees was 276 BTCs. And we can see that 25% of the block reward is now in fees. And I think this is rising when the adoption grows and a lot more people want to transact with Bitcoin. So yeah, we should always remember the fees. Average transaction fee. This is the chart I want to show you. So the fees are rising fast now. So that's very good. And if we check the all-time high, we can see the fee peak here, the fee peaks here in the last bull market. So and yeah, that were very good times for miners. So fees high and mining profitability is still rising. We see here the number of today is not included here, but it's now at 14 cents, so it will be here. So this is huge, I think. So overall, very good mining day. Also, we should check the hash rate. What's the hash rate now? (113 exahash or 116 right now. So it's still low compared to the highs here, 165 or 75. Yeah, we will see. But it's good for the miners if they have their machines on, like Hive. It's very good to have a lower hash rate now, so they can make more money, less competition. Lower hash rate means less competition for Hive. Yeah, I have the same started for HUD 8. It's going to be also very interesting, the numbers here, as I will finish Bitfarms today. And then, yeah, we have Argo, Riot, Marathon, DMG. And if you know other miners, tell me in the comment section. And yeah, I will analyze them and we will have a discussion about them. So, yeah. Thank you very much and yeah, have a nice evening. Bye.